Welcome to Wheesk in Motion. We have been baking and decorating cakes from our humble home kitchen for over 10 years. On our channel, we will be posting everything you need to know about cake making, from the basics such as baking and filling your cakes, to making detailed fondant figurine decorations. You'll learn how to become your own cake boss in no time. Stay tuned as we will be sharing stories on our baking journey and giving you a sneak peek on what goes on behind the scenes of a home bakery. We will also be sharing essential baking tips and tricks so you don't have to worry about baking fails in your own home kitchen. Be sure to subscribe for new content every week.